people may only choose for the lowest level. So we talked about, when we had the conversation around, I had a conversation with somebody who asked me around, you know, well, the people don't necessarily stay, or, you know, they just come in and just do the bare minimum. Well, they chose the job because they needed the money, right? I need the income. That's the lowest level. It doesn't mean that they're going to drive any more improvement. It doesn't mean that they're going to participate in anything. It doesn't mean that they're happy with what they're doing. If they're happy with what they're doing, you'll see them actually start to drive improvements and want to make things better. So the goal is to set the environment and the ability for that happiness to happen, right? Then you'll change that people want. So if you remember, they had the conversation way back when about being the employer of choice, right? If you think about it from that perspective, you don't have it so that people can just do the jobs. You have it because they want to be there because they can add value. They want to be there because they can feel like they're giving back something, right? That's a total different thought process of how then you set your jobs up, or how then you set your processes and systems up to enable that to occur, than just doing the task of making these widgets or providing this service.